Okay, I was going to do a live recording of this, but I have been running into technical issues all night. So I went in and did it, and I'm just going to walk you through what I did. So I have this social media carousel helper here, and we're going to pause video. I need to double check some stuff. Okay, we've got the social media carousel helper here. Couldn't use the word Instagram because it wouldn't let me publish it because it had a brand name in the title of it. So all you literally have to do is go take an article you wrote, a video transcript you wrote, etc., a long form social media post that you want to expand into a carousel. Paste it in here. It's going to output the text for the Instagram carousel. Then we're going to, and you don't even have to, like, there's no prompt to add any. You just literally paste it in here. Then you're going to grab that. You're going to use this prompt, create image. We're going to create an Instagram carousel using the instructions and copy below. Each slide will be created individually. And just caveat, 60% of the time, this works every time. As the famous movie quote says. But as you can see, cover came out great, right? Really good image, relevant. Somebody upset they got an audit notice, all this stuff. And then it went through, and the reason I ended up doing it this way, walking you, it takes like 10 minutes. Each one takes a minute or so to create. And as you can see, the text is okay. I would probably redo it, but at the very least, you got a really good cover out of this. And then you can go into Canva and go make the rest of this content. And we did okay until here. I was like, oh, that's weird. And it was like, I think we were running out of the memory in this chat. Um, and then it did this to me. So, but for the most part, it's pretty good. And I've seen a lot better results. I think it's just been overtaxed lately. But that's like, do those things and you have Instagram carousels. Now, that's one of the technical problems. I'm going to pause this, set some other things up, and we're going to go through to how to take these same things and go make the Canva version. Here, microphone's still here. Okay, sorry about that. I probably won't even edit this out of the video. Anyways, ooh, that's right. Canva has the ability to use bulk import, bulk create. So what I did is I took this and I told ChatGPT, hey, let's take that creative table I can copy paste into Google Sheets, formatted this with this slide number, headline, and subtext. And I did that. Google Sheets is I've had nothing but technical problems all night. So Google Sheets is acting up, but I already made this sheet and it's ready to go into the Instagram post. So what I have here is I've got, and this is just the way I've always formatted. So the headline and subtext, same thing as that formatted spreadsheet. We're going to hit bulk create. I'm going to move me, upload data manually, grab that spreadsheet. It's already linked. So this is what you would do. Go in and select the component, the column you're going to connect the data to. That's all that means. And then you're going to hit continue and generate 10 images. All right, I'm gonna pause the video again because my Canva is a mess. Now, is this formatted pretty? No, but you've got the base here. You can go in and then make it the way you want. Or you can even do that in the template too. You can set the style and design. You can change the format, the font, the size, the color, all that stuff there. But you now have the entire carousel made, branded to your agency. Now, we've been over this. I don't like brand and logo slapped on everything. That's up to you. This is literally, I asked ChatGPT to make a Instagram carousel background for for the McBride agency. They were the first one I thought of. So that is it. That is how you can take long form content, turn it into Instagram carousel copy, then ask ChatGPT to make it using a really simple prompt and copying and pasting, and then just having a little bit of patience. Literally, next slide. It does pretty like the Instagram post I made today was 100% ChatGPT. But this is a good way to get started. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below, hit subscribe, and watch the next Tech Marketer video. Thanks.